Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. We'll be exploring how to create a YouTube video using AI tools, and the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. With the advancements in technology, AI has become more accessible than ever, and we're here to show you just how easy it is to incorporate AI into your content creation process. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Brainstorming your video idea. The first step in creating any YouTube video is to brainstorm an idea that will engage your audience. AI can help with this too. There are several AI-powered tools, such as ChatGPT, that can assist you in generating content ideas based on your niche or topic. Let's demonstrate how this works. Using AI for content ideas, we'll type in our topic, travel tips, and let ChatGPT do the magic. AI-generated content ideas related to travel tips. Step 2. Writing your script with AI. Now that we have our content ideas, the next step is to write the script for our video. With the help of AI, this process becomes much more efficient. We'll use an AI writing tool, like Jarvis, to assist us in creating a compelling script. Writing script with AI. Here we are in the AI writing tool. We'll input our content ideas and let Jarvis expand on them to form a coherent script. Using AI to write a script for the YouTube video. Step 3. Finding AI-generated images and videos. Visuals are crucial for any YouTube video, and AI can help us find royalty-free images and videos that match our content. Let's use an AI-powered image and video search tool to discover captivating visuals. Finding images and videos with AI, we'll enter relevant keywords and watch as the AI fetches high-quality images and videos for our video. Step 4. Now that we have our script and visuals ready, it's time to add a voiceover. Instead of recording it ourselves, we can save time by using AI text-to-speech technology. Let's check it out. We'll paste our script into the AI text-to-speech tool and choose a voice that suits our video style. Step 5. Editing your video with AI-powered tools. With all the elements in place, it's time to put everything together and edit our video. AI-powered video editing tools are incredibly useful, especially for beginners. Let's see how they can help streamline the editing process. Editing video with AI-powered tools. We'll upload our visuals, add the AI-generated voiceover, and use the AI editing tool to make our video look professional. Step 6. AI-enhanced video thumbnails. Thumbnails are vital for attracting viewers to your video. AI can even assist with creating eye-catching thumbnails that increase click-through rates. Let's explore an AI thumbnail generator to create one quickly. Generating thumbnails with AI. We'll use an AI thumbnail generator, input our video title and some graphics, and let the AI work its magic. Creating video thumbnails with AI. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make a YouTube video with the help of AI tools, all without spending a single penny. AI has revolutionized content creation, making it easier and more accessible for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, incorporating AI into your workflow can save time and boost the overall quality of your videos. Remember, while AI is an incredible resource, it's essential to maintain your creative touch and personal engagement with your audience. Blend the power of AI with your unique style, and you'll create videos that captivate and connect with viewers like never before. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Until next time, happy creating!